In this video, we will review the process for leveraging the iShield Key HOTP interface managed by the RSA Cloud Access Server. This will include uploading seed data and administrative tasks of assigning a security key to a user, then user self-service portal registration through RSA MyPage. The bulk seeding process was covered in a previous video. See a link in the description below. For RSA CAS, the CSV file for import contains a column that is not supported. Therefore, you easily remove the final column using any text editor. We will only be importing the serial number, the seed value, and the counter set to 0. Sign in to your CAS administrative portal. Select Users, then select Hardware Authenticators. We wish to upload Oath HOTP seeds. Under Manufacturer, select RSA Swissbit, then select the model of your iShield key and the number of OTP digits that you wish to configure. If the firmware version is unknown, you can retrieve this information using the iShield Key Manager. Then select the CSV file to upload. Click the Upload button and note that we have added the tokens to be assigned to users for registration. To assign a token to a user, again select the User menu item, then select Management. Enter at least the first 3 letters of the user you wish to assign a token to. Click the link to assign an OTP hardware authenticator. For manufacturer, again select RSA Swissbit. Once again select the models associated with the token type, and if you do not have the serial number, you may copy it directly from the CSV import file. You may optionally assign a unique name to this token. Next, we'll log into the RSA MyPage portal to register the assigned authenticator. In this example, we are performing a FIDO2 passwordless authentication to MyPage. Note that other methods are also supported by RSA. Once logged in, select My Authenticators. While you possess the ability to register any authenticator, note that you only need to click Activate Authenticator once one has been assigned. Again, the user is required to verify the serial number of the authenticator. This is as simple as comparing the value displayed in the iShield Key Manager utility. Insert the authenticator into the USB port, then touch the sensor on the end of the key to generate an OTP value to be confirmed. You may assign any name desired to reference your iShield key. Then we must set a PIN according to the policy displayed on the screen. Once completed, you may click the Test Now button. You must first enter the PIN, then touch your iShield key to generate the OTP value. You have successfully confirmed your HOTP authenticator registration. Now let's see this in action. As you know, the RSA MyPage is a single sign-on platform, and as we're already authenticated and there is no policy to enforce re-authentication, if we open a protected resource, authentication will be successfully handled by RSA. Therefore, we can log out or open a private browsing session. As we are no longer authenticated to the relying party, authentication will always be required before loading the protected resource. Here, we select the OTP login method and provide the username. Enter the PIN, then touch your security key to generate the OTP and continue with access to the relying party application. And as always, Swissbit looks forward to supporting you on your passwordless journey.